Good morning, everyone. It's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is an XST Premium Plus, SXT, sorry. Really nice vehicle all the way around. No accidents on this vehicle, and it does have brand new tires on it all the way around. Also a fresh oil change as well. It will come detailed inside and out for the new owner, certified of course, and a full tank of gas. Coming around back here, you do have a trailer hitch on here. It does have the rear view camera, and it is a power tailgate. You can open and close that from the key fob as well. Plenty of space back here. Some of the original mats that came with the vehicle, and all these seats fold down, so for tons of space in the back of this van. So be sure to check out the photos in the first link in the description for that. And the doors are also powered as well. You can do both the doors and the rear hatch right from the key fob as well. Your captain chair's in the second row here, and nice seats in the back, and this folds up nice and easy to give you lots of space to get in and out there. You do have rear climate controls back here. You can control those from the front of the van as well. There's just a button on the inside here to close that door. Coming up to the front, you have power windows and locks, of course, power glass adjustable heated mirrors, your headlight controls and your brightness, and then really comfortable front seats. It is a power driver's seat here in this van. Stepping into the vehicle, only 153,000 K on this van, so plenty of life left in here. I see a lot of these go well over 300,000. And then you do have your cruise control here on your nice steering wheel. Your center display, now pop it in reverse. There's your rear view camera. And then you do have dual zone climate up here, your rear climate controls as well. A couple of 12-volt power options here, center consoles, plenty of storage, cup holders in the center console. Plenty of storage here, and then more storage over here in the lock-in glove box, and storage above that as well. You do have your rear view mirror here, some reading lights, spot for your sunglasses, and the controls up here to open and close the doors and rear hatch. So really nice van all the way around, and it does have brand new tires on it as well. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan, or any time of the day directly at my cell, 647-546-9348. You're welcome to text or call me there. Thank you so much. I look forward to meeting you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.